So the wrap up for live market open for Wednesday, September 21st. The big event of the morning is the Bank of Japan. During the show, we've seen quite a turnaround, okay? We've seen the Bank of Japan deciding to change its focus of monetary policy on results, wanting a steeper yield curve on self-inflicted rules about buying bonds, and will allow for higher inflation. Everything is a bit sort of free, focus on the yield curve and let inflation roll. Of course, inflation is too low. And the initial reaction was the weaker Japanese yen, with dollar yen rising to 102, now falling 100 pips to the downside from the peak, basically unchanged on the day. Support 101, resistance 103.40. The Bank of Japan is relatively always sort of leading the pack in terms of innovative monetary policy. Is the Federal Reserve. In short, no change. The focus will be on the dot plot. If they leave the door open for more hikes, that means a hike in December, one more hike this year. I believe the dollar will move a bit to the upside, even though it's mostly priced in. If they rule this out, the dollar will fall. Watch out for the tone in general, more optimistic or more pessimistic. The narrative will make a big difference in what people say that the Fed said, and not necessarily what Yellen said. Oil is a bit leaning to the downside, not going anywhere fast. We've seen a big plunge in the pound because, well, the door is open to a rate cut in November, and also because a hard Brexit is now on the cards. US elections add to sort of the mixed mood. The race is dead heat. The event, of course, all eyes are now on the Fed, but on Monday we have the debate, the first debate between Clinton and Trump. Okay, let's look a bit at the charts in this wrap up before we head off. So we talked about dollar yen leaning to the, well, back, mean reversion after the big rise. Euro dollar remains very, very stable in range. Support 111.20, 113.70. Pound dollar under 130. Support here at 129.30 and 130.65 is resistance. Dollar yen will be interesting to watch throughout the day. Dollar CAD, very nice range here between 131.40 and 132.40. And a lot depends on the Fed. Well, for all currencies, a lot depends on the Fed. 76 is the level to watch on Aussie dollar, support 75.30. Some recovery there. Kiwi dollar has usually been the stronger currency. The range is 72.40 to 60. All in all, just to show you the election map in the United States, 56% chance for Clinton, and that's basically tied. Rate hike chances, well, 88% against a rate hike, according to bond markets. Again, two primary dealers do see a chance of a rate hike, okay? All right, so I see no further questions here. Again, once again, sorry for the late start. We had some technical issues, but I'm glad we could make it. You can watch, in any case, a full rerun of the show and all the special segments we did, including the Fed preview, Euro-dollar forecast on FX Street relatively soon, and afterwards on Forex Crunch. Thank you very much for those coming despite the delay. It's a very, very exciting day in markets. I wish everybody is safe and successful. Follow the live coverage of the event. And also don't forget about the FX Street the contest. You can win some nice prizes there. And that's it for today. So thank you, everybody. Sorry again for the delay. And see you soon.